Hi guys, I'm Randy. Welcome to the Essex Fashion House channel. Today I've got another unboxing video for you. I just got this through the door from Geraldo and it's going to be a pair of men's Prada shoes. So let's open this up and see what they're like. Alright, here we've got the Prada shoe box. Let's just get this box out of the way. Alright, so here it is. And I can't remember the style name of these shoes just now, but I promise I will get it and put it in the video or put it in the description for you so you'll know what style these are. So first of all, this box is awesome. All the Prada shoe boxes are really nice. They have this finish to them that looks like cross-grain leather. Sometimes it looks like Saffiano leather. This one looked more like cross-grain, but I mean, obviously it's not leather, but it looks like it. It's just a nice little touch. And it has the Prada logo with the red and the blue. The box is like a shimmery silver gray. Open this up. First we've got this little leaflet, which is the care instructions. This is like a shiny cardboard type thing, and inside it just tells you how to take care of your shoes. And we've got the Prada tissue paper, even with the Prada logo on it. It's very fancy. Let's open this up. Some protective stuff. Oh yeah, these are the white sneakers. And each shoe is wrapped in plastic just to protect it in the box. Just get both of these out of the box and I'll show them to you up close so you can see all the details. And before I do that, I'm just going to get the tissue paper out and get the dust bags out to show you these as well. Most of this is in Italian, but you can see here it has the labels on the box to something about the shoes. All right, well, anyways, let me show you the dust bags here, because these are a little bit different or actually it's just one big dust bag for both of them. I guess it's because it's a pair of sneakers, but this is made out of this fabric that's almost like it's almost like reflective, which is super in right now for some reason. And it's got the red Prada logo on it. It's very nice. It's got the little drawstrings, super nice quality. All right, I think I'll just get one of these out and show you. So this is a good looking shoe. This is it. Kind of a classic white sneaker, but with Prada. I like that the Prada on these is very subtle. Like you just have this little black thing there. And the details on these shoes are quite subtle as well. They're quite simple but sporty looking. And over here it has a little gray and a little black mark there. Got the white laces, which of course you could switch something else if you preferred another color or something, but I think that looks good. You see it has Prada inside the shoe. Some stuffing in there to keep the shape. It's always good. It also has Prada here on the back. And actually I noticed now that the sole there, obviously it's some kind of rubber, but they made the texture look like leather. How cool is that? It's the same thing as the shoe box, so it looks almost like this one looks more like Saffiano leather. Either cross-grain or Saffiano. I'd say Saffiano on this one. And then on the soles we've got Prada as well. There's a price tag, size on it. Yeah, it's just a nice looking sneaker. Nice looking white sneaker. Another nice little detail is that this little thing in here to put the shoelaces through is leather, which is quite nice. And you've got nice edges here on this. Got the little gray there. You have the little air holes there. All looks quite nice. say these are the kind of shoes you need to really take good care of to keep them looking pristine. But and the fabric is, I'm not sure what this fabric is. It's like, it feels kind of like a winter jacket. You hear the sound of Alright, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that it'll be helpful if you're trying to decide whether these are the shoes you want, or if you're buying these secondhand and you want to see what the real thing looks like up close. I hope this was useful. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. I've got another video coming of another pair of men's Prada shoes, and let me know in the comments below what you think about these shoes. And you can also find me on Instagram, so I hope I'll see you soon.